Hello friends. Today I want to show you the North Carolina map infographics. This is an animated template for PowerPoint. Discover a nice pre-made template for your Google Slides PowerPoint presentations. The following North Carolina infographic template will make your presentation design unique and eye-catching. This is a 100 editable slide template for presentations about the United States of America, traveling, and tourism statistics. This template is perfectly designed to meet all your requirements and needs. This is the best what you can find to give a presentation about the North Carolina state of America. Use this design to develop a tourism sector and attract new visitors. There are two color options for this template, white and black. On the master slide, you can see the map of North Carolina. There are charts with percentage value which you can edit and replace the dummy text with your own content. All graphics in this template are fully editable. Easy change any color with using the color schemes in PowerPoint. You can download this template for free at the link in description below. Please press the like button if you like this template, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.